You've probably noticed, Ferrari almost never drops official factory lap times for the Nordschleife, while Porsche celebrates every second they shave off. Right now, the kings of the ring are the Mercedes AMG 1 and the GT2 RS Manthey Racing. But forget the top 5. If you scroll the official Nürburgring leaderboards, you won't see a Prancing Horse in the top 20. Not one. You have to go all the way down to number 23 to find the 296 GTB at 658. That is 14 seconds slower than the Aventador SVJ, a car that's heavier and on paper should be outclassed by the 296's 819 horsepower hybrid V6. Well, actually, brands like Porsche and Mercedes are literal locals. They test at the Nürburgring every single day, waiting for the perfect weather and track conditions, and they have their entire engineering team stationed nearby. In contrast, Ferrari has its own private track called Fiorano. If you compare the two, the Ring is a bumpy, unpredictable public road. Fiorano, on the other hand, is a perfectly maintained laboratory where Ferrari writes its own specific standards. Unlike most tracks where data is downloaded from the car after a lap, Fiorano is alive. The asphalt is embedded with thousands of sensors. As the cars drive over them, data is relayed instantly to the pit crew. They don't have to wait for the car to stop to know exactly what's happening. They also have a state-of-the-art irrigation system that can soak the entire track in minutes to test wet weather performance. Fun fact, Enzo Ferrari built Fiorano literally in his backyard. He built his house right next to the circuit so he could hear the engines and flybys directly from his office. At the Ring, there are spotters and industry spies with cameras everywhere. At Fiorano, Ferrari has total privacy. They can test experimental tech without the whole world knowing. Technically speaking, to go fast at the Ring, you need a stiff, aggressive suspension to handle high-speed compression. Ferrari, however, prefers a more supple suspension, tuned for real-world Italian roads. Also, while Porsche uses massive wings, like on the GT3 RS, to maintain performance, Ferrari often relies on active aerodynamics or underbody aero for a cleaner look. Earlier in this video, I told you the 296 GTB was almost 14 seconds slower on the Ring than the heavier, less powerful Aventador SVJ. But it's important to mention that while the 296 is slow on the Ring, it set a 1 minute, 17.1 lap time at Fiorano. That is faster than the legendary LaFerrari, which proves that the car isn't slow. It's just not Nürburgring optimized. You must realize that Ferrari doesn't give anyone a chance to hurt its brand value. Imagine setting an official lap time and celebrating, only to be beaten by a Porsche the very next month. By not playing the game, they stay above the competition.